Hey guys, I'm here with another one video, the latest version of MIUI 12 to Poco F1. This is based on Xiaomi EU port and let me show you some added features in this build. Before that, by going to settings, my device, here you can see the version of MIUI 12 26.4, the latest one. Now coming to features, by going to settings, here scroll down, display, here you can see control center. So you are able to use dual status bar with this build. So dual status bar works fine. If I choose dual status bar, then your both top corners like this. This is one of the cool features from MIUI 12. And after that, let me show you always on display feature. Go to settings, here scroll up, choose always on display. Here just enable always on display. So if I enable this option, then it will like this. In this build, AOD is working but not stable. I'm going to choose another one style. So go to same always on display settings, then choose style. Here you are able to use lot of styles. So I'm going to choose this one, then apply. Now it's looking like this, but sometimes it's disappear from your lock screen, but no issue. We hope next build will be fixed. And finally, let me show you how to pause safety net check from Magisk. Go to Magisk, tap the reload button, press OK. Here it shows some value is false. Then go to 3-line options from left to top of corner. Go to settings. Here scroll down. Just enable Magisk hide. Then after come back, tap the same button. Now it shows the value is true. So if the value is true means you are able to use official banking application, etc. After that, we are going to see about how to install this build to your Poco F1. So if you are using previous version of Xiaomi EU port, then you can flash by DriveFlash or just download the ROM and move to your phone storage like this. I suggest you create one folder because it's easy to find while flashing ROM in TWRP. You must flash TWRP before all doing this because it's mandatory to flash ROM. Then turn off your device. We need to go into TWRP recovery by pressing volume increase button and power button at the same time and release both keys when it vibrates once. Now it's booting into TWRP recovery. In this TWRP, you must wipe 4 things from advanced wipe. Here you can choose wipe and advanced wipe. In this, choose Dolby Cache system and data. Then here down, swipe to wipe. Then after wipe, go back. Here choose install. Choose you created the folder and select the zip file. Here down, swipe to confirm flash. After flashing the ROM, do wipe again because it's booting without error. After wiped, do reboot your system by choosing reboot system. That's it, we successfully flashed the zip file. Now it's booting into the latest version of MIUI 12 from Xiaomi EU port, and this is new booting logo from Xiaomi EU port developers. And next, start installation process. So whatever it asks, just give and proceed to next. This is main logo of MIUI 12. Click the arrow mark and choose which language you want and move forward. Just skip it and here agree the terms and forward. Select the data SIM available. So I'm using Jio. The next, set password if you want. Then next, here choose theme, which one is you like. I'm going to choose default theme. That's it, choose gesture or button. All set complete. Now we successfully flashed the latest version of MIUI 12 26.4. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe it.